What's up, it's Better Anthony Spano. How y'all boys and girls doing today? I was doing good until I realized that you're not following me on TikTok. Look at this beautiful video I made for you. Look at this beautiful video. I made this bitch 18 hours ago. This is a sneak peek from an up-and-coming video that doesn't release for another month. And you're missing it. You're missing it because you're not following Better Anthony Spano on TikTok. I try to post every single day. Please check this out. Like, why else would I do this? And you guys even get to see my feet. Like, I do so much for you guys, and you guys don't even watch this shit.
What's up, y'all? It's Better Anthony Spano. So I lied, we're not doing that right now because we got some other stuff going on. Amari is teaching his little brother clutch right now on the quad. He just ran out there. And then we're probably gonna throw this on today too. Amari will probably do that. I don't know how that stuff works, but he'll get me right. I'm gonna throw these eyeballs on though. You know how it is. Look at that shit. You can barely see it, but that shit looks dope, dude. Got that shit. Got that shit. Every day I'm out here, we got some shit going on. I'm going to a fucking ride out tomorrow. I'm gonna try to make some content there. I don't have a fucking clue what's going on. Let's see that.
Spread that shit.
Oh shit. That's gonna be dope, dude. So in one of the other videos, I got a fucking bolt stuck in that shit, and there's no way I'm getting it out. So I'm going to cut and weld this piece of metal. I'm gonna cut it like right there and weld it. All right, we gotta cut this bitch right there so we can use the tip of it. And I hope for the best. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll try to get it in there. Dude, it's gonna look way better at night, but he got lights in there too, dude. This bike's gonna look so fucking cool, bro. Dude. Shit's just getting set. Oh, this is so fucking cool, dude. What up, Rat? This is so fucking cool. Look at this dog, bro. Oh, he stopped caring. He's like, what the fuck is that? Dude. This shit literally looks like it's fucking factory. I don't even know how you do it, bro. Even Rocco likes this shit. Look at him. I'm trying to record a clip, buddy. You're gonna stand right there? Dude, look at this shit. I can fucking change it to any color I want. Oh, that's so fucking cool, dude. That's so fucking cool. Holy shit, dude. This is fucking clean, dude. Oh my fuck. Dude, look at that shit, bro. Alright, bro, you win, you win. I don't see no fucking wires. Dude. Fucking clean, dude. What'd you think? You don't see nothing, then you press the little button? Buttons in this because I fucked up the keyboard. You just gotta turn that bitch off, on, dude. Oh, fuck, dude. That looks so nice. Dude. Dude. That shit looks nice, bro. It even fucking pops up through there, dude.
Dude, it shows better on the other side.
Oh yeah, it does, dude. Look at that shit, bro. We was trying to end the video. Amari convinced me to let him and his brother backpack on the bike down the fucking street. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Here you go, buddy.
Hey.
She's warming up. Dude, she looks good, bro. Alright, Amari's driving.
Right behind him.
Oh my goodness, dude. Please God be with me on this one.
See, I kept my promise. See, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You good? Yeah.
Good.
We're good, bro. We're good. You're good, bro.
How did that feel? Are you crying? Dude, that shit was so much fun to watch. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Me and Amari are going hard this summer, so subscribe, like, all that stuff. If you watch this far, comment. That's like dope. And check out my TikTok. I make TikToks every day. So appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.